Hi everyone, welcome to Dataverse Academy. In today's video, we will learn how we can write a query in Data Warehouse. Log into your Microsoft Fabric account. Then click on below left hand corner. Then choose Data Warehouse. Then click on Workspaces. Then click on your workspace. Then click on your Data Warehouse. If you are not familiar with how to create a data warehouse, please watch my other video. I'll put link in the description. In my earlier videos, we have loaded the data into a data warehouse using data pipeline and copy into command. In this video, we will create a query using Visual Query Builder. We will calculate total profit and total tax per day by state and city. So for total profit and total tax, we need Excel table. And for state and city, we need dimension city table. Click on new visual query, then drag Excel table into the editor, then drag dimension city table into the editor. Now we will join both the tables based on common column. So let's find out which is the common column between Excel and dimension city. So you can see we have city key in Excel and city key in dimension city. So we will join based on city key column. Before merging it, we will filter Excel table and we will take only top 100 rows because we have huge amount of data in Excel table and it's gonna take lot of time for combining both the tables. To filter the rows, what you need to do, click on reduce rows, keep top rows and provide number of rows, then click on OK. It will show you only top 100 rows. Now we will join both the tables based on city key. Click on combine, then click on merge queries. We will take Excel table as left table and dimension city as right table. We will join based on city key. Then we will use inner join. Click on OK. After combining both the tables, you need to choose required column from dimension city table. For that, click on it, then choose state and city. Then click on OK. Now, as you know, we need to show the total tax, total profit per day by state and city. Then we need to do the group by based on invoice date key, city and state provinces. For that, click on transform data, click on group by. Now we will click on advanced because in basic you can only do the group by based on single column, but we need to do a group by based on city, state and invoice key. As we need total profit and total tax, so for that we need to do the sum of profit and sum of tax. Total profit, sum of profit. Then click on add aggregation. Then total tax, sum, column name will be tax. Then click on OK. You can see we got the output profit, total tax per day by state and city. So this is how you can design your query using Visual Query Builder. That's it in this video. In the next video, we will learn how we can create our data set, and then we will build a Power BI dashboard using that data set. Thank you for watching this video.